In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give calendar access to others in Outlook 2025. Sometimes sharing your calendar can be incredibly beneficial, whether you're collaborating on a project or simply need others to see your availability. So let's dive in. First things first, to begin this process, you'll need to head over to Microsoft Outlook. This can be done through your browser, and it's important to ensure you are using the latest version for a seamless experience. So open your browser and type in Outlook or navigate directly to the Outlook website. Once there, you'll notice a sign in option located conveniently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your email and password. Ensure you enter your credentials accurately to avoid any errors. It's crucial at this point to double check the email you're using to sign in, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to ensure you're accessing the right calendar. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find an array of options. Look for calendar and click on it. This action will open up your calendar, displaying your scheduled tasks, meetings, or any other events you might have noted. Now that your calendar is open, it's time to locate the share option. You'll find this option at the top of the screen. By clicking on it, Outlook will invite you to share your calendar with others. This feature is particularly useful for team coordination or even just keeping your family informed about your availability. Next, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to share your calendar with. Make sure you input this information correctly. You wouldn't want to accidentally share your calendar with the wrong person. This step requires a bit of caution and precision. After entering the email addresses, you now have the power to decide what level of detail these individuals can view on your calendar. Outlook provides different viewing permissions. You could allow them to only see your availability or share the details of your events. Choose an option that best fits your needs and the purpose of sharing. Finally, it's time to click Share. This action will finalize the sharing process and send out invitations to the designated individuals. They will receive a notification and instructions on how to access your shared calendar. And there you have it. By following these concise steps, you've now successfully shared your Outlook calendar with others, making for smoother scheduling and enhanced collaboration. Remember, sharing your calendar can make a world of difference in keeping everyone on the same page. Thanks for joining us, and don't hesitate to explore more ways Outlook can streamline your productivity.